So, which stock is the best stock that I could buy and expect that I'm going to perform best with going forward? And which one is the worst stock? And I feel like my capital would be at risk. I'd probably lose money in that investment. Let's get into that. The best stock I think could appreciate and do best with my capital is Comcast. This is a beaten down stock, but the business is producing a lot of cash and profits. When they divide the company, that might be a real good thing too. You'll get shares in two different companies. And those companies, if they focus on their businesses, that should do quite well. Comcast had the best gross margins. They had terrific profits overall and provided a really good discount overall. They also paid almost a 4% dividend. So all those things really look good to me. If they really start to perform better, you could double your money on Comcast and be paid a nice dividend. So I like that idea. The second best is Verizon. It's also offering a nice discount in the mid 20s. It pays a nice dividend of over 6%. It's a solid company that everybody's familiar with. So that investment, man, I couldn't argue with it. That might even be an investment I make. So Verizon's number two, the second best investment that I could make. The third one, and I would say that at this point, we're kind of falling off quickly on the value and we're increasing risk. American Mobile is that company down in Mexico, and I think they provide a nice discount offer. But I feel like I'm taking a higher risk operating down in Mexico. And I wouldn't be compelled to invest in this stock, but it is the third best stock that I'm looking at. In fourth place is AT&T. We know what AT&T does. We know what they deliver. Their dividend looks good. My concern is the stock has appreciated and maybe the price of the stock isn't going to go anywhere from here. It doesn't provide much of a discount, and I would probably pass on AT&T altogether. Just wait for the proposition to get stronger. And the same is with T-Mobile. I think T-Mobile is having a tough time growing. They've been milking their existing business, getting more margin and profits. But I think that's going to come to an end at some point. The next stock on the list, Telefonica. Telefonica is in Europe. I think it provided a nice, interesting discount, but it's outside my home country. If this is a stock in your home country and you're very comfortable with it, it might be a good idea. But for me, I'm a US based investor. Why take the chance when I've got stocks like Comcast offering me the same or better discount, a better dividend, and all US based operations, as well as Verizon? Chunghwa Telecom also just didn't measure up. I don't think the discount's high enough. In fact, there was very little discount on that stock for me to take the plunge and take the risk of investing in a stock in Taiwan. And the one stock that I could clearly say this is the worst stock, I would stay away from it altogether, is Charter. Charter has too much debt. I don't think it's going to end well for Charter.